Are you a homeowner looking to put your home on the market? If so, let me tell you the 5 things you must do to maximize your home value to attract top-dollar offers. Hi, I'm Betty Peneva with Peneva Properties and eXp Realty. Here are the 5 easiest things you can do to get the top dollar on your home. Clean and declutter. A clean and clutter-free home is more appealing to potential buyers. Clean your home thorough and remove any excess clutter to create a more spacious and inviting environment. Make necessary repairs. Before putting your home on the market, make a list of low-cost repairs that need to be done, like fixing leaking faucets, patching holes in the wall, cleaning or replacing grout in the kitchen and bathrooms. You may want to consider doing a home inspection upfront to see what significant work might need to be done. And chancing your curb appeal. First impressions are important, so make sure your home's exterior looks its best by trimming overgrown bushes, lay ground coverings such as bark, power wash the exterior, or paint the front door. Stage your home. Staging can help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home. Rearrange furniture, add decorative touches, and create a cohesive look throughout the home. And finally, price it right. In today's market as a seller, you need to be competitive in your list price so you do not become stale on the market. This is why it is so important to work with a real estate professional to show you all the current market data and sold comparables in the neighborhood. Contact me today so I can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money from your home investment. I'm Betty Peneva with Peneva Properties, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm the key to your new home. Because when you do what you love, people love what you do.